Symphony of the Seas became the largest passenger ship ever built. Is about 5 times the size of the Titanic. Symphony of the Seas has 2,759 cabins or staterooms and 362 meters is tall. The largest cruise ship in the world offers the chance to go head-to-head in a glow-in-the-dark laser tug adventure. Symphony of the Seas is currently the world's largest cruise ship. Symphony of the Seas can carry nearly 9,000 people and contains more than 40 restaurants and bars, 23 pools, jacuzzis and water slides, 2 West End-sized theaters, an ice rink, a surf simulator, 2 climbing walls, a zip line, a fairground carousel, a mini golf course, a T-story, fun slide, laser tug, a spa, a gym, a casino, plus dozens more shopping and entertainment opportunities. To put it another way, Symphony of the Seas might be the most ludicrously entertaining luxury hotel in history. In midships above the Royal Promenade lies perhaps Symphony's most remarkable feature, Central Park, an open-air garden enclosed by the upper cabins. The deck faces salt air, scorching sun and foot traffic from thousands of passengers almost every day of the year. After the park, we toured Symphony's accommodation. More than half of Symphony is taken up by staterooms. It's remarkable and airy urban park floating on a skyscraper with an open-air cafe and performance space thrown in, all in the middle of the ocean. Symphony of the Seas Royal Theatre will host Broadway-style productions and 3D film screenings. Symphony's Galley. In an average week, guests will consume 9,000 kilograms of potatoes. Symphony of the Seas contains 2751 square meters split-level crown loft suites. The 66-meter ultimate abyss slides snake their way from the sport zone on deck 16 to the boardwalk on deck 6. Sculptures and other obstacles are used to visually shorten the ship's long walkways. Still, Symphony's record as the largest ever looks like it won't be broken for a while, but never say never.